Do you miss your daddy now? You're not happy anymore that daddy is going back to the US? You usually get happy when your daddy was here, right? But now you're not so happy anymore because daddy is not here. Are you okay? Or are you annoyed with your mommy? Are you annoyed at me? Like, Mommy, you're so annoying. You were crying. I don't like that. Is that what you're trying to say? Huh? Oh, you can't be happy that much because daddy's not here. The window's open. But why you're not happy? You're not happy that daddy left? Papa? You love your Papa Brian? Your daddy Brian? Hey, you're happy now. You understand? Don't worry, daddy will come back here, okay? Daddy will come back.